Hi, I'm Daniel from LIGO.co.uk and this is the Panasonic KX-TGH720 cordless phone. The TGH720 is one of the latest cordless phones from Panasonic and it's available with up to 6 handsets. At LIGO we've always found Panasonic phones to be good quality. They're well built, have good sound and generally last for quite a long time before you need to replace them. Design wise, the TGH720 comes in either silver or black as we have here. We prefer the black as it looks a bit more sleek and modern and generally fits the style of the phone better. One thing we like about the 720 is that Panasonic have trimmed down the size of the base station somewhat, which means it will take up less space compared to other models. The sound quality on this phone is great as well, especially for a model at this sort of price. It includes a volume booster mode that makes it up to 70% louder than other Panasonic cordless phones, and quick volume control buttons on the side so you can adjust this during a call. It also has a full duplex loudspeaker, which means calls are equally clear on hands-free mode as they are off. The TGH720 also comes with a number of nuisance call blocking features. There's an automated call block, which means that when someone phones up, they'll need to put in a number before your phone actually rings. And for when numbers do get through that you don't want to speak to, there's also a dedicated nuisance call block button on the phone as well. Just give this a tap during a call and the number will instantly be added to your block list. You can store up to 1,000 numbers this way, so it's a great way of blocking those nuisance calls. And for times when you don't want to speak to anyone, there's also a do not disturb mode. With this switched on, only pre-selected categories of numbers can call through, so you can still be contacted in an emergency, but otherwise the phone won't ring at all. Like most tech phones, the TGH720 has a maximum range of up to 50 meters indoors or up to 300 meters outdoors. If you live in a larger property than this, or if you have thick walls that cut down on the range that you get, then the TGH720 is also repeater compatible. This gives it the edge over most BT phones which won't work with a repeater. Last but not least, the TGH720 comes with a built-in answer machine which you can access from both the base and the handset. It offers a substantial recording time of up to 40 minutes and it records in good sound quality as well. So there we have it, the TGH720, a solid mid-range cordless phone that looks and sounds great. To find out more, click the link in the description or go to ligo.co.uk.